previous video, we had a little tour of this beautiful ship. Now we're going to see some of the action of the sailors bringing down the sails at the end of a long day of sailing. So why does this ship have 25 sailors and not 125 sailors? It's because of this device right here. It is an electric winch. General Motors made the winches, and General Electric made the motors for them. So they're brass. These are the original ones, and they go in, one goes counterclockwise, the other one goes clockwise. They just wrap the ropes around, as you see. They are called a winch, but I call them a finger remover, but they do the work of 10 sailors each one. How in the world do you get 2-ton sails up and down and 2.5-ton yard arms up and down before the electric winch? This is a modern ship built in 1930. It has electric winches. Prior to that, they used a capstan, which is one right here. They would put 6 or 8 poles, turning it by hand. Human power is the way they used to, using hundreds of sailors rather than dozens of sailors to raise and lower the sail. Now that the crew has secured the sails, they scamper up the ropes to tie them down to the yard arms.
Take a look. It's a great, very special opportunity looking back at the sailors on the mainmast.
I wonder what the load bearing is.
These are my good friends. Welcome back. Καλώς ήρθατε to Greece. It's been fantastic to see you once again.
Hope you have enjoyed sailing along with us.